smooth, doesn't get hot. Great running, driving car. Really fun to take down the road. See the box is straight, solid. Very clean looking car. Great driver for sure. Small imperfections here and there. Tiny ups imperfections. Clean car. Clean interior. The nice seats. Have the Roadster fiberglass cover on it, painted to match, very sporty. You can take it off and have the back seat open, or you can keep it like this and make it a Roadster. Here for racing on the car. Nothing much. Excellent interior. Doors shut. Smooth, nice. Nice tires on it. Paintless. Shred. Oh, you can just get in and start going. Try to do a quick top video. Sitting in it. Circle about here. She's up. The top is in really nice shape. A couple little small things here, but the fit, obviously it's not latched down yet, but it does fit nice. It's in good shape. Okay, we'll start up this Thunderbird. The radio you can hear kick on to the speaker, but it ain't getting in an AM station. Kind of is there. I'm not sure if it's hooked on though. The fan squeaky, but it works. Wipers do work. Showed you the top worked. And here's the top switch on the door panel. All the windows work, left, front, up and down. Goes all the way up and all the way down. All of them go up and down. All of them. I'll show you them. They do go up and all down, all 4 of them. Work nice. Like I said, the tonneau cover here, or the Roadster cover, can pop off. It's fiberglass. Clips on the back, one on the front, and that pops off if you want to make it a 4-seater. Power switch, or power seat switch, is not engaging. This motor runs smooth, quiet, clean. In the hood pad. I'll walk around and show you the lights if we gotta pull that out. Exhaust sounds great on it. Pull the light switch real quick. Working, we'll go to the front. All the lights work. What a beautiful car. Alright. The temp gauge is not accurate. We did shoot it with the gun and it was about 180. So it says it's a little hotter than it actually is. The speedometer does not look like it's rolling. Sure does drive nice. Power steering, power brakes. Real smooth. Steering wheel's not shaky. Good acceleration.